Yeah, find integral of 1 whole divided by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. See how we can solve this. This we can solve by using substitution method. Okay, that means we have to substitute for something here. So first what I will do, I will take this 1 minus tan x, I will substitute t for it. That means I will write like this. Let this 1 minus tan x is equal to t. I am taking this entire thing as t. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. This is short form of differentiation, DIFF, and this is short form of with respect to, that's with respect to. This is short form for with respect to. With respect to. So we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So first differentiate with respect to x means d by dx of, okay, this whole thing 1 minus tan x is equal to d by dx of this t. Now see, because of this minus we can write d by dx for this separately and for this separately. First d by dx of this 1, so d by dx of this 1 minus d by dx of this tan x. Okay, so is equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. Okay, now see, 1 is a number, it is a constant. So differentiation of this constant is 0. 0. So minus, this minus you put as it is. Now d by dx of tan x. Differentiation of tan x with respect to x is secant square x. That is a formula, standard formula that you have to remember. So d by dx of tan x is secant square x is equal to dt by dx okay. 0 means nothing, so I can just erase it, no problem. So I will write here this minus, I will write as it is. What I will do, see, secant square x is reciprocal of cos square x. Minus I have written as it is. This secant square x I can write 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x. So secant square x is 1 by cos square x, that is equal to this dt by dx. dt by dx. So next step is what? I will move this dx to this side. So what will happen? This minus as it is. When I move this dx to here, you have to multiply 1 into dx whole divided by this cos square x is equal to this dt. This dx is moved here and multiplied with the 1. So dx into 1 we will get dx. Okay. Next step is what? Okay. Now equal sign is there now. See, this minus is there and this is equal sign is there. Okay. Multiply by minus sign on both sides. When you multiply, what will happen? So multiply means minus into this whole thing, minus dx by cos square x is equal to, I am multiplying both sides by minus. First this one by minus, next this is by minus, so we will get minus dtt dt. When you multiply this dt, you will get minus dt. Okay. Now into is there, so multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus. So dx by cos square x, that is equal to this minus dt. Okay. Next what I will do, remaining part I will solve on the back side of this board. Okay. First, whatever given integral I will write it here. This is given integral, right? 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square dx. This is given. So what I will do next? Okay, I will rearrange these things. So first, see, this is like numerator. Here nothing means 1 is there. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Numerators, this and this are numerators. I will multiply this 1 into dx, we will get dx. So whole divided by, next this whole thing into 1 we will get same thing. This into 1 will get same thing, cos square x into 1 minus tan x whole square only. Okay. Next step, what we do? See, here bracket is there means here into is there. This is like dx by cos square x into this. So next step, integral. Okay. Because of this into, okay. Because of this, before that, here dx is there, here nothing is there means I can write like this, dx into 1, no problem. Because dx into 1 we get dx only, I can write like this, no problem. Okay, now see, here also into, here also into, so we can group this separately and this separately. So write this dx by cos square x, dx by cos square x. Next, this thing 1 by this 1 minus tan x whole square, 1 by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay. Next step is what? So in place of this I am going to substitute something. What is that? See See here, I just erased. So previously we got this. Okay, plus is there. I can erase it, no problem, because still plus is there. That is understood. If nothing is there means plus is there. So dx by cos square x is equal to this minus dtt. So in place of this dx by cos square x, I will substitute this minus dtt. Okay. So in place of this I am going to substitute. First write this integral. So in place of this minus dtt. Next 1 by, in the beginning we have taken 1 minus tan x as t, small t, correct? So in place of this 1 minus tan x, t, because in the beginning we have to write, see here, let 1 minus tan x is equal to t, okay? So that's why in place of this 1 minus tan x I have written this dt. Okay, so next step, write this integral. See this d theta. See, since here nothing is there means into is there. Because of this into, I can write this d theta here, and minus I can club with this one, like minus, then 1 by t, this d theta I can write here, no problem, because multiplication, minus into d theta into this, because of into I can write like this, no problem. Next integration is there now. Because of this integration and this minus sign we can take outside, no problem. So minus integration, what is 1 by t dt. Okay, now I will just erase this part. Any previous content if you want to see, just move the video backward. Okay, next, okay, so for this we have a general formula. No. I am sorry, a little bit mistake. See, in place of 1 minus tan x I have put t, but this square I forgot, so t square. Here also t square, so t square. Okay, so next step minus you write as it is integral. Okay, I will bring this to numerator. This is at the bottom. When t square is taken to top, it will become t to the power of minus 2. Okay, when this entire thing is taken to top, t will be same, this plus 2 will become minus 2. Okay, so dtt. Now next step, minus will write as it is. To solve this we will use a formula. So we have a formula, integral of x to the power of n dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 whole divided by n plus 1. So this is the formula. So I will write this entire thing here. Integration of t to the power of minus t dt is equal to, see now, this is in the form of this. Okay, in place of t we have x, in place of n we have minus 2, in place of dx we have dt, that is dd same in place of xt. Okay, so you according to this formula, x in place of x what we have t, n in place of n what we have minus 2, so plus 1 all divided by, in place of n what we have minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so same thing I will write here, minus, so in place of this entire thing, t to the power of minus 2 plus 1 whole divided by minus 2 plus 1. put bracket. Okay, say after integration whatever you get you should put plus c. This is some integration constant, that's all. You should not write any value for this, you just write plus c, that's all. Next we will minus, you write as is, t you write as is. Next we will simplify this, minus 2 plus 1. Okay, first see the signs, minus and plus. So minus into plus is what? Minus. Minus means subtraction. Subtract smaller number from bigger number. This is smaller number, this is bigger number. So when you subtract 1 from 2, you will get 2 minus 1 is 1. So which sign you have to put? The sign in front of bigger number. Which is bigger number? 2. So what is the sign? Minus. That minus you put here. Okay. So this minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. So in place of minus 2 plus 1 I put minus 1. So whole divided by, again minus 2 plus 1 means this only, minus 1. This plus c you have to write as it is. Okay. Now next step. So here also minus, here also minus, cancel out. So what is left? T to the power of minus 1 divided by 1. So when this is divided by 1, you will get the same thing, t to the minus 1 only, t to the power minus 1. This divided by 1 is this only. So I am writing same thing, t to the power minus 1, next plus c. Next there is a general formula, a to the power of minus b is equal to 1 by a to the power of b. So write this here, t to the power minus 1. In place of a I have t, in place of b I have 1. So according to this formula is equal to 1 by, so in place of e what I have? T. In place of b what I have? In place of b I have 1, t to the power 1. That is equal to, okay, and now first write this here. So 1 by t to the power of 1, this plus c. Next step, 1 by t to the power of 1 means t only, t plus c. Next step, 1 by t. What is t? So in the beginning I took c, 1 minus tan x is equal to t. That means t is equal to this, 1 minus tan x. So in place of t I am going to substitute 1 minus tan x plus c. Now see, this is the answer. Okay, 1 divided by 1 minus tan x plus c is the final answer. Hey, thank you. Anything if you want to say related to teaching and this concept, please mention in the comment. Okay, and click on subscribe.